What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome to this quick video on NKN. I believe the abbreviation, it's been a while since I covered it. I covered it a lot during my YouTube career, if you'd like to call it that. I think it's like new kind of network. I think that's the abbreviation. But today, and the main reason why we're covering it is because it's up 42%. Massively bullish. Volume is amazing as well at 120 million. Like 1.3 times the market cap. The thing is, and I always like to cover it, by the way, because I know that it still has a huge community. I think I covered it the first time like December of last year, so almost a year ago. Then it had a huge community. It still has. It has gone down a little bit, of course, but that's what a bear market does. But right now, massively bullish, a lot of volume. If we take a look at the source of that volume, we can see that it comes from some sources that I don't like BYBIT. It's a Korean exchange. Nothing wrong with Korean exchanges, but it's usually when a lot of volume comes from there, it's not that great. And usually prices tend to fall quite hard after that. But apart from that, I mean, we must say that most volume comes from Binance and Coinbase and Mexi and all the other big exchanges. So it's not the end of the world, definitely. Definitely not. But apart from that, I also, when I researched it, because I did a little bit of it, I actually didn't find any news for why a move like this would happen. Today has overall been a pretty bearish day for crypto. Some, new kind of network, by the way. Some cryptos were very bullish, but they all had their reasons. And for new kind of network, or not all of them, but most of them, a new kind of network, I didn't see any specific great news about it. As you can see on Twitter, nothing necessarily new. Obviously it's still active and being developed, but yeah. And then we check Reddit. Like nothing has been posted on Reddit for a long time, which used to be very different when it was still very hyped up. So right now, when I did the analysis, we were still above this level, and I said, well, we can get to 17 cents if we actually manage to hold like 14 cents. But we haven't, like the first resistance level that we broke above, and now we're just looking at the technical specifically, right? But the first level we broke above, we haven't even held that. So right now we're dropping down to this 12 cents level. 12 cents, 11.5 cents, which is going to hold. It's going to hold for a little bit. But unless it actually allows us to break above 13.5 cents, we're not going up anywhere. All right, so there's a very low chance, I have to say, that we can actually break above 13.5 cents from that support at 12 cents, and then we could actually still continue up to 17 cents and maybe even higher. But I'd say the chances of that are like 15%, and I think it's like an 85% chance that we'll find some support there, consolidate, but then afterwards drop down all the way down to this 11 cents, 10.5 cents level. And from there, we'll see. From there, we might actually get a second smaller rally. But in the end, I don't think we'll actually create any sustainable bullish momentum from that level. So it seems to be for NKN, it seems to be that it's just some sort of a spike right now, which we have to be honest about. NKN has done that before, like right here, like right here, like right here, and more over the last year. So we have to be realistic at this point because of the fundamentals and because a little bit because of the volume. It looks more like that. But what you could also see from the other scenarios, we did actually manage to hold higher levels. So that could be the case for this level between 11 cents and 10.5 cents. But yeah, that's at least my honest and realistic take and analysis on NKN for today. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.